Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. First, I would like to say thank you for watching this video of our presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Putri Fitania, and my partners are Ratu Maulisa Fasha, Hanisha Putri, and Nabila Monica Patricia. So, in this opportunity, we would like to present types of business letter. Business letter. A business letter is a letter issued by a company to another company, or a letter between an agency and its customers, clients, or other parties or groups outside the agency itself. The letter issued depends on the relationship that occurs between the two parties. The contents of the business letter also vary, can be in the form of requests for information or responses from a party, request for supply of goods, conveying cooperation, apologizing for inconvenience or errors to clients, and so on. The importance of using a business letter is because it keeps written evidence. This form is written communication will be taken more seriously by the recipient than other forms of communication. The next speaker is Nabila Monica Patricia.
Type of business English letter. 1. Apology letter. An apology letter is a letter used to apologize for mistakes that have been made. This type of letter must be written with humility or with all humility to admit mistakes that have been made, using smooth and honest language that comes from the heart. 2. Confirmation letter. Confirmation letter is also known as a letter of receipt, of acknowledgement letter. Letter of this type are generally formal and brief. We can use confirmation letter to provide confirmation such as meeting schedule, book accommodation, and transportation letters or documents that have been received. 3. Inquiry letter. Inquiry letter or letter of request is generally a letter used to request more detailed information about the goods or service offered. But actually, an inquiry letter is not always related to a request for information. It can also be a request regarding work or another things. Next. 4. Thank you letter. Letter that aims to further stranger a business relationship by reminding that we are very happy to work with him. We can use this type or letter when our proposal is accepted, when someone is willing to come to attend a seminar, or thank volunteers who have been willing to help in the event where we organize. 5. Sales letter. Sales letters are used to introduce new products to new clients and customers. It is very important to mention the problem of the clients and provide the solution with the product being sold. 6. Reply to letters of request for information. Replying to business letters is very important to do. Customers who are interested in our product are the best business prospect for us. Learn how to thank buyers and provide potential buyers with as much information about our product as possible. 7. Account terms and conditions. When a new customer becomes a member, it is very important to provide information about the terms and conditions of membership. If you run a small business, then making this type of letter is common. 8. Letter of order. Placing an order. A businessman sometimes has to make this type of letter, especially when ordering goods in large quantities. You certainly don't want your order goods not too much and delivery time and specification that have been determined.
The next speaker is Ratu Maulisa Fasha.
9. Letter of claim or request for compensation. Unfortunately, from the time sometimes we have to apply for compensation for orders for goods that don't match our service. that is disappointing. This type of letters is needed to express our dissatisfaction and statement of compensation in the form of a replacement of good or refund. 10. Letters replying to claim. Even as the best businessman, he must have made mistakes from time to time. In this case, usually we will get a claim letter from the customer or customer. To answer the complaint letter, we need to be able to write to repay the filing of lawsuit. 11. Job application letter, cover letter. This type of letter is very well known among job seekers. Usually, a job application letter contains an introduction, a little content from our CV, and our positive attitude when expected from work at the company we are applying for. 12. Letter of complaint. Letter of complaint is one of the letters that likes to be used in the business relationship. Explain your complaint in the bullet points and the sequence politely. With polite reading can at least reduce your anger when writing this type of letter. 13. Letter of recommendation. Letter of recommendation is used to recommend someone so that the recommended person can be accepted for work. Avoid the temptation to overestimate one's ability to write this type of letter. Being honest and objective is the key. Resignation letter. An official resignation letter must be prudent. Avoid writing things that will damage your good relationship with the recipient of the letter. Give a good reason why you can no longer work at your current place.
The last speaker is Hanisha Putri.
Okay, notice of not being accepted for work. In some case, you will need to send a letter notifying the job applicant that he or she has not been selected to fill an existing job position. In the opening letter, thank him for this time, release him for his expensive or education, and explain that he is not what employees are looking for at this time. Number 16, declining dinner invitation. This is a business letter which, if not written carefully, will be very embarrassing for us. Continue your appreciation of the dinner invitation and mention that you have other appointments at that time. Do not write down the details of the event you are going to do. Number 17, reception of gift. It is polite to respond to someone who has given a gift by sending a letter explaining that we have resolved in it. Continue our gratitude to let him know that that the really Number 18, notification of error. In writing a business letter notifying the reader that an error in a document has been correct, we recommend sending a copy of the faulty document if necessary of offer additional copies of the erroneous document to be sent. Number 19, thank you for job recommendation. A letter to those who have profit assistance so that we are accepted for work must be professional and courteous. In addition, avoid excessive gratitude and realize we are accepted to work not only because of the help from other parties, but mainly because of our abilities as well. Number 20, adjustment letter, a letter containing an explanation and confirmation regarding the complaint letter containing answer, response, apologies, and explanation of solution to business problem that occur between parties. It is short, concise, and clear, and depends on the condition of the problem at hand. Negotiation of solution can take place in this letter. Thank you.
Okay, I think that's all about our presentation. Thank you for watching this video, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.